guys, I have been not filming for the past week. Not because I don't want to film or make content. Hi, love. Oh, why? Anyways, I got distracted. I'm so sorry. I've been not filming for the past week. Not because I don't want to film or want to make content for you guys. I know I can film. I know I could like video this, video that. But the process of like editing, I'm trying to like really manage and balance my time. I actually thought of this. Not hindi ako feeling or whatever, but sometimes I feel like pag content creator pala ako, hindi pala ako pala post ganun. I have been really focusing on school and church recently, so I have been not filming, I guess. That's why. The editing process, it's very time consuming, and sometimes it could be very frustrating for me because sometimes I could like lose or probably accidentally delete one of the videos. I've been not filming, not because I don't want to film, not because I don't want to post, but I just don't have that flexible time that I have. But today I decided to film because I have free time and a very flexible week actually. Yesterday we had our first day of our first quarter exam, and on Friday we have our last. In between those 2 days we have a rest day, which is Niño Aquino Day. You can like review, stay at home, be chill and everything. So yeah, this is a really good time to film. These past few weeks or these past few days I have been not cleaning my room because I'm the type of person who's like go. Like I'm always like in a rush to go to school or to do like assignments and stuff like that. I don't have that kind of beautiful time. Today is it. I'm gonna film a video for you guys because I have been not filming for the past weeks. Today we're gonna have productivity. We're gonna do some schoolworks. We're gonna make reviewers because tomorrow is the last day of our quarter one exam. So good luck. Oh my gosh. Thank God we only had like 2 subjects. We were exempted in science and ESB. Went home early because I only did 2 exams. So thank you, Lord, I get to rest and to be chill. Today I have decided to clean my room, like not like really deep clean, but it really needs some organized, you know. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and I'm probably gonna work out, and I want to watch a movie probably if I have time, and after that I'm going to make like a reviewer for tomorrow. And yeah, I'm gonna take along with you guys. My laundry is a mountain. Should I do my laundry? These drawers are so messy in the inside, quite literally. I was trying to make like a t-shirt yarn. This was so hard to like make. Like it's very stiff, and this like the t-shirt, like as you can see, and like this is the yarn that I got. This is a failed project because while I'm like crocheting it, it's so hard, it's so stiff because I don't know why. I think it's because I made it too big and my hook doesn't really fit for it. But this is actually my biggest hook that I have. This is 6.5, I think this is the biggest hook that I have. I would consider this as a failed project. If you guys want to try like to make like t-shirt yarn, it's very easy. You just have to, I just saw this on TikTok, quite literally. You just have to like cut it straight and like tie it to each other and to create a very long yarn, quite literally. So this is what I got. I was going to like make I think project. I have so many paints. Look at that. Let's just organize this and put it back here. You're blocking the camera. No, you don't eat that. Basically, all the products I use is just like really simple stuff that you could probably afford. As you can see, I don't have that expensive skincare stuff. This is basically my moisturizer, and that's practically it. And I have my powder, some moisturizers that I've been trying. This is so good. I love this one. So much to practically organize, and it's quite like bugging me right now that I have to fix everything. have this corner here where I put my bag, like for school, but it's looking rough. We have to clean it. Okay, now I have to just fix all of my bags, and I'm gonna put it in my drawer, and I'm also gonna probably fix all of my clothes in my drawers. So I have quite literally a lot of bags. Put it in the first one first. My school stuff, because I have my notebooks here. It's just so messy around here. I don't know why. This is the bag that I use for school. This is new trend, which I really love this bag. Since ano ko ba to? Since grade 7 ata, freshman, my first year of high school, I've been using this bag already, and it's still very matibay. Like, literally. And I always bring this envelope that contains the attendance, because I'm the president, ako yung nag-attendance, and stuff that is very important papers, records and stuff like that, mga manila paper and stuff like that. It's here. The only thing I have to organize and clean, which is my dresser. Quite literally, when you open the bottom drawer, which is the biggest one, it's just filled with bags and stuff like that, plastic bags that, you know, you get from like clothes, like the bags from the clothes or something. And yeah, this is so messy. I have pants in here too. I found it! These are all of like my scrap yarn that I made and stuff like that. I don't know what to do with this, but I don't want to throw it too, so it's gonna be here for years and years after I finally know what to do with it. Now this is all empty, we're gonna put it back, but organize it, of course. That's the reason why we're gonna clean this. This is one of my first crochet bags, sling bags, and people always compliment me with this bag every time when I use it, so yeah, I love this bag. I also love this bag. This bag is a crochet bag too. It's like a mesh net bag, as you can see. It has like square holes and it's so nice. It's like a handbag. This is a beaded bag. I got this when I was probably 11 years old, but it's like a sling beaded purple and white bag that it's like so good. I don't use this, but I really like it. I really love it, and it's so nostalgic, so I keep it. My froggy bag that I also really love. This is like a belt or like a sling bag too, but I painted a frog in the front of the bag to add like a little personality from the bag, so it's really nice. Look at that. I even put like stars. It's so cute. This over here is a souvenir bag that I got from a convention in Pabua in Baguio that I attended because I wasn't invited, but I attended it because I have like relatives from Cambodia that were there, so yeah, I went there and I became one of the delegates, which is such a very great opportunity to have in your life. So this is really special to me and I love to keep it, even though I don't use it, but it's so unique. So yeah. We have more bags. I'm just gonna keep it here for a while.
2 hours later.
They finally came kasi pareha silang overseas. So, hold on. It's currently 12:23. Oh, 12:33. So cute! I'm going to assemble this. And I'm so bored, by the way, so I feel like I might like it or I might not. Ooh. Oh, she's in her pink packaging. Gosh. Oh! So satisfying. Ang hirap yung pantayin. Kasi, I don't know if I like it or not. I thought I ordered the natural looking one, pero be, mukha ba tong natural? Okay, I took that off. Okay, I feel like I need to work on how to put it more faster, and it doesn't actually really look natural on me, but I'm probably gonna use this soon. I've been loving assembling Lego for the past months, so I saw this on Shopee. And it's so cute. It's like this cat convenience store? I don't know. But we're gonna make this. We're gonna use this as like our patungan. I'm going to put it there. So open this and we're gonna assemble it while we're watching my favorite YouTube gamer, Curry Kitchen. She's so cute. Look at that. Look on how many pieces that are left and that are extra, because on how small they are, they probably consider this just in case if you lost one piece, then you can use it. The only thing is we don't have one of the main pieces like the milk, the cat. We don't have one cat. There's no cat. They only like leave like the bases and the very, very smaller piece. They just put extra just in case if it falls and you can't find it, and they have extra to give you. So yeah. I'm gonna chill here with my cat.
There's only two kinds of people in the world. There's women and there's men.
I really want to share this product to you guys. This is not sponsored. This has been really good on my skin. I just got this like last month and they're practically almost halfway done. So far so good. Look at my skin. I just really want to explain you guys on how acne prone skin people that are like me, that are, as you can see even my chest has been really struggling in finding products that will help, well, not totally like lose the acne like right away, but there's like products you could like find that is like good for acne. This is it. These are the two products from the Originote that I would recommend. I use this alternately. For example, I will use this at Monday nights, and at the next day, Tuesday, I will use this one Tuesday nights. Acne prone skin girls there, or anybody that is looking for skincare that is good for acne, and no, this isn't a skincare that is going to like, oh, it's gonna take off acne or anything, but like skincare that is like good for acne prone skin. Not gonna totally disappear it, but like good for it, like it's healthy for it. It is currently 9:22 and around 10 to 11 I'm going to review one more subject, which is our math.
Kumusta ang exam?
안녕하세요.
Arimida.
Yaro.
How was the exam? Paldo?
Ha? Lahat yun ba lang?
Oh, for the exam. Paldo?
Wala kasi ako
Sige, kain lang. How was the exam?
No. Wala ko sa ate. Ito lang masasabi ko sa iyo. Ay, mon.
Grabe rin. Hey guys, ang rami namin plano sa buhay. Iba-iba kami ng plano.
Wait lang, ano gagawin mo sa buldak? Kakain mo sa bahay mo.
Ano? Say it again.
Premi nyo ko after ko mag-code ko sa
Follow the way where he's going. Maraming tangkad yan, abot langit. Dito pala. Dito sa asawa ko. Yung asawa ko.
Pagkatapos mag-code ko sa exam.
Going home na. I'm so excited to go home. We're finally home. Nag-uulan. Home! Nay, look what I have.
Wow, what's that? Oh my God, so spicy!
Try natin to.
Dapat nag-buy ka ng cheese.
water. Or 1 liter of water. Oh, this is so good.
Wait, why is it already dry?
Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh.
Reminding people of his obedience to the Father and his love and sacrifice. We need to consider what they need and how